Hello, this is meteorologist John Wentenkamp with a look at your winter weather briefing. A winter storm is expected to impact the area starting late Sunday night and continuing through Monday, likely lasting into Monday evening. Difficult to hazardous travel is expected, especially in northern areas. And we're expecting the heaviest snow across southeast Minnesota through north central Wisconsin, with light icing possible to the south where more of a wintry mix or rain is expected. So now is the time to prepare for difficult travel, if you must travel, on Monday, as we could see heavy snowfall and the potential for some light ice accumulations. Here's a current look at the snowfall forecast. Snowfall amounts of 6 to locally 11 inches are possible across portions of southeast Minnesota through north central Wisconsin. Further to the south, there will be a transition zone of rain to snow, roughly stretching from Neillsville southward to near Toma, over to Charles City and up towards Austin. That'll be the region we're watching closely for the potential for more of a wintry mix, which would reduce snowfall accumulations. However, the storm could edge a little bit further to the south, and snowfall amounts could be higher in those areas. So keep a close eye on later forecasts. The images on the right here show the worst case scenario, if you will, maximum possible snowfall. Looking at the snowfall probabilities, we could see localized amounts over a foot given the worst case scenario, and maybe even some 8 inches amounts here closer in that rain-snow transition zone. But however, this looks like an unlikely situation, so the most likely scenario is what's in the current forecast. And also snowfall amounts could be lighter. Looking at best case scenario, you'd see snowfall amounts here shown on this lower right graphic where accumulations are in that 4 to maybe 6 inch range along that heavier band. Taking a look at ice accumulations across the area, we're expecting a glaze to maybe 2/10 of an inch, but more rainfall expected here across portions of southwest Wisconsin, northeast Iowa, and warmer temperatures will reduce ice accumulation. Risk level and impacts. The greatest risk will be from heavy snowfall and to some extent the light freezing rain. Sleet is possible at times, along with some blowing and drifting snow in the open areas of southeast Minnesota, and possibly even in the open areas of north central Wisconsin. Here's a look at simulated radar forecast here. We could see some light freezing rain moving into the area Sunday evening and continuing north here late Sunday night and on into Monday morning is when we're expecting a switch over to snow and potentially heavy snowfall, especially for that Monday morning commute. And then it looks like Interstate 90 will be kind of the battlegrounds, if you will, for the rain and snow transition, with more rain likely to the south and heavy snowfall looking more likely to the north. And then in that 6 to 9 a.m. time frame, that's going to be the onset of the heaviest snowfall and potential for that wintry mix. So be aware of this. If you have travel plans Monday morning, your commute could start out fine, then conditions could rapidly deteriorate as heavy snow sets in. Snowfall is expected to then continue through the afternoon hours on Monday and on into Monday evening and into Monday night, and that heaviest snow band will begin to orient itself across northern and western areas. So, in summary, expect travel impacts for the Monday morning commute, and again, conditions could rapidly deteriorate. Plan on heavy snow at times with some sleet and light freezing rain possible. The heavy snow will mainly be across southeast Minnesota through north central Wisconsin, with light icing possible across those southern areas. Higher chances for that icing near the Interstate 90 corridor and across portions of northeast Iowa. And again, timing for the expected winter storm is late Sunday night through Monday night. Thanks for listening. If you have any questions or would like additional information, please see our internet homepage or check us out on social media.